Welcome back, everyone. Crypto Patrick here. Today I'm going to go over a couple altcoins that I think can rise really high in 2018. And since the market's down right now, we're looking at a lot of red, but it's still gone up a lot since the last couple weeks. I think right now is a perfect buying time, and get ready for that huge jump around the end of March to April, beginning when the tax season comes around, and we might easily get back up to that 800 billion mark, and maybe even getting closer to the 1 trillion again, which means that Bitcoin would double. Ethereum's had a pretty stable price, but that'll probably go back up to 16, 17. It'll probably go to like 16, 1700. It had an all-time high of like 1400. We'll probably see Ripple at $4. Bitcoin Cash is going to get way bigger. It's going to be on BitPay debit cards. It's on BitClub. It's going to get, I think that's going to go up. All these coins will go along for the ride with Bitcoin. I mean, we are at a $554 billion market cap, guys. And that's it's found a lot of stability lately where it hasn't been changing much. If you look at the 1 month, it was at a high of 829 billion, and then we hit this low of 432 billion. And now it's kind of like rode a wave and stabled off around $571 billion, guys. It's found a little bit of stability here. It's about $300 billion down still. The market is still kind of bouncing back right now. I think around Q2, the end of it, we're going to see a lot more money infused back in the market. And a lot of these coins that are going for the ride along with Bitcoin are going to 2 to 3x. But what coin do I want to show you guys right now that I want to get into for this video? Well, one of the ones I want to get into right now is the Wax coin. And Wax coin, this is it right here, guys. If you don't know what it is, it's 5 cents right now. It is got a market cap of $247 billion. That's a lot of, that's a lot of money, or $1 million. It's got a supply of 1 billion. It's got a huge supply, circulating supply, 492 million. Volume, kind of low trade volume, 10 billion or 10 million. And going up here, guys, we can see the all-time. I'm going to show you guys the all-time high of Wax, which is about almost $3. It hit 276, like right here at 267 on January 9th, and it kind of dropped down to 5 cents. Why do I think this thing is good? Is because it's into games. Gaming is huge. They basically, the makers of this made this purchase gaming thing where it's like you can buy accessories for skins on, if you get an avatar for World of Warcraft or any of these games where you have avatars, you can buy like different skins and accessories for them and trade in game, and that's kind of what they're all about. And if you take a look at their website, I'll just go on there for you guys so you can kind of get an idea. This is Wax right here. It's the worldwide asset exchange, safe, secure, fast, global decentralized marketplace for virtual assets. And I kind of wanted to get into this coin more because there's just so much going on with it. I think this is going to moonshot in 2018. It has like Counter-Strike. They support like crypto kitties. It's all about accessories and customization. They're trying to solve problems by having faster processing fees. They're trying to decentralize everything so there's not a lot of fees like you get right now on all these current games. And basically, it just wants to have like a worldwide asset exchange. They have great advisors too. Like some of the people that are into this right now are basically people that have been big into gaming for a long time. They built OP skins. See the founders of OP skins? I mean, that's on a lot of different things if you look right here. So the OP skins, just to give you guys a little background, it is, you can see right here, they do Battlegrounds, Crypto Kitties. They have like H1, Just Survive. I'm sure you guys have seen some of these right now, but they're playing with Steam, Payday 2, and a lot of different rifles, pistols, gloves. So these are the people that made that, guys, and they came out with this one. And what is the Wax token? The Wax token is a decentralized platform that enables anyone to operate a fully functioning marketplace with zero investment in security, infrastructure, or payment processing. Developed by the founders of OP Skins, the world-leading marketplace of online video game assets, Wax is designed to serve 400 million online players who already collect, buy, and sell in games. Harnessing the power of blockchain technology, Wax tokens are utility tokens that allow virtual goods, not just in video games, to easily be tokenized in exchange for cryptocurrency. So you're getting paid cryptocurrency with these virtual goods. You're exchanging one for cryptocurrency for the virtual goods. It's really smart. I think it's a great idea. I know a friend that had like these dinosaurs, and they would buy things for them and build different avatars, and then they would bring them into the game. I forgot what it's called, but it's like Yeah, it's really cool. The smart contract underlying transaction acts as a mechanism to permit trustless trading between buyers and sellers. The platform will allow millions of traders to create virtual online stores. So it's a great utility, guys. They released about 2 weeks before Christmas. And seeing the high that they had of 276 and where it's at now of 50 cents, this could be a great steal. If it goes back up to where it was before of $3, I mean, just look at that, guys. 2x dollar, 3x right now, $1.50, 4x, 5x, 6x. It's a 6 to 7x opportunity. This is a good opportunity right now, Waxcoin. It's up right now, but it's still a good buy because of that all-time high where it was at before. When the market bounces back, that's probably what's going to happen. And looking more at it, guys, just to give you more an example, you create your own marketplace. They have like a really good ecosystem, 400 million players. We designed to serve 400 million players. It basically simple exchange widgets. User can buy and select an item, and they get payment in Wax tokens. And then I want to show you guys about the people that made it and like how good the team is. You always want to look at the advisors, the utility, and how good the team is when you look at any of these tokens. And let's see if I can pull it up right now. It's a little bit laggy. Community. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, that didn't open. Let's see if we can find it. Okay, let's look at any news coming out. So game trading, a $50 billion industry to write blockchain technology. So here's the advisors that I want to show you guys. And this is one thing that I looked at right away. I looked at their roadmap and their advisors, and I knew that this was going to be a good token. And remember, this is an Ethereum token. So if you guys are holding Ethereum right now, it's really stable. This is a good one to bring your Ethereum over and purchase with Ethereum. Press release: Wax announces advisory board partners to expand blockchain platform for in-game virtual items. Call of Duty creator and developer Dave Anthony. That's huge, guys. Founder of Interplay, Brian Fargo. There's great people on here. World of Warcraft executive, former CEO of Universal Games, Ken Cron. That's huge. Even if you don't know, look at CEO and founder of Jax and Decentral, Anthony DeLauro, Wax System Architect, founder, Transport Group, Bread Wallet, founder and CEO. I mean, they have a great group of people here, guys. This coin is not going to go anywhere, and this is a really good potential. I mean, Wax is one of the best ones I would say in the future to take a look at. And my other picks, guys, I'm not going to go into full detail of every single one, but Binance coin is my next pick for 2018. And if you saw my other video, I did a little bit about this. The exchange is really good. There's a lot going on with it. Look, it's only $12.56 right now. This was $24 at its high. It will go back up again. It's the Walmart Superstore of crypto coins. That one will do good. Tron TRX will go back up too. Justin Sun, all these people supporting it. It might go on Coinbase now. 6 cents right here. That will probably go easily back up to 30. We can see like a 8x opportunity if it goes on Coinbase. I mean, that's huge, guys. The next one I would say, I think Ripple is going to keep doing good into the future with X-Rapid. The other one I would say would be Wax, Ripple, Tron, and Binance Coin. So we got Tron, then we're going to go to Ripple. So remember, these are all the ones I want you guys to keep in mind on when you're looking at this. We know Ripple saw a high of 380. I think when the market bounces back, this is going to see a high of $4 or $5. It might even shoot up to the moon with a lot more partnerships with Justin Sun supporting it. We got Stellar Coin. That's the next one I would look at. Let's see if it's a good buy right now. Yeah, at 50.56 cents. That is still a good buy, guys. Stellar is a really good coin. Really fast transaction times, really similar to Ripple. That, I think, will do really good. And I think it's still a top currency. If you look back over here, I'll just show you guys. Look on the market itself. And another one I want to tell you about is the Icon one. Looks really good. See, Stellar is still number 7. I think this one will move up too. We got, and maybe take Cardano's spot. I would look at Icon coin. This is a really good one, guys. Icon. If you don't know what Icon is, I'll show you the website real quick. These are all ones that I want to take a look at on the site right now. And I remember I did a video, if you guys saw it earlier, on Poet, which is this is like the entertainment one, which helps like entertainers and licensing content. I think that one has huge potentials to hyperconnect the world, and it basically license who owns it. But I'll show you that one in a second. I want to show you the website for this if it loads for Icon. I think Icon is the future. They had a token sale. Icon is building the largest decentralized networks in the world. Icon already boasts communities comprised of reputable institutions, banks, securities, interest hospitals, decentralized applications, a payment exchange, block-issued smart contracts. I think this one has a great utility, guys. I'm all about decentralization and getting away from the banks. I know Icon had a pretty good run for a little bit. It's still, it's still up there high. We can look at the 1 month. So you can look at the all-time high of $12. It's at $9. It hasn't gone down a little bit, but I think this one's going to keep growing. It's just the market went down. You can see the stability, just like Bitcoin, just all the rest. When the market dipped, it dipped too. I think this one is definitely going to be like a $40 cryptocurrency in the end of 2018. So we can see like a 4x opportunity on this one. Icon, and then the next one, the last one I want to show you guys to keep an eye on is Poet. You have to put the little E in there too. But remember, this one is all about the licensing, the content, who creates it. I'll go to the website so you guys can see. But with Poet, it was at 10 cents. It had a high of 26 cents so far, guys. When the market goes back up, that's a 2x opportunity, right, or 3x opportunity right there alone. So I think Poet is definitely a good one to keep an eye on. And if my computer was a little bit faster, I would go on it right now. Let's go on it. I'll show you guys a little bit about Poet. I'm just going to do a quick rundown because I'm about to do a live stream. Poet has shared a universal ledger designed to track ownership and attribution to the world's largest creative assets. Poet reclaims value for content creators and publishers. Immutable timestamps title your creative works and register your assets on the Poet network. Because it's decentralized and secured by the blockchain, attributed remains safe and verifiable and immutable. So it basically timestamps creations, meaning that no one, and they can verify it on the blockchain, meaning who created it and when. No one steals your content. Poet uses cryptography to give both publishers and content creators a tool to license without processing fees, providing an open network that has always been controlled by third parties, like YouTube and different places. Now they won't have to anymore. Publishers, journalists, contest creators. Here's their team. Look at Ethereum and Jax creator, Smart Wallet creator, Samsung. There's a lot of great people on here, guys. This one isn't going anywhere. Keep an eye on Poet. If you guys like my videos, make sure you like and subscribe on that comment button. If you want to mine Bitcoin, hit the link for BITCLUB Network, $600 investment, but you'll mine for life, and you'll be able to invest in all the other altcoins. I'm going to do a live stream in a little bit here, guys. That's my end of my video. And those are my ones: Waxcoin, Ripple, Tron. We have Binance, Coin, Stellar, Icon, and Poet. Those are my picks right now for 2018 for some huge, huge gains. Wait for the market to jump back up in probably end of March, beginning of April. Peace.